from now, we'll all be gone. All our friends will move away, and they're going to better places. But our friends will be gone away. Nothing is as it has been, and I miss your face like hell. And I guess it's just
It's 4:40. We woke up 10 minutes ago. It's freezing but cold, and we're going to go hike the mountain now. And layer overview. I got wool socks, leggings, sweatpants, a t-shirt, a thermal, a sweatshirt, Patagonia, and this, and a hat, and mittens. Oh, an update. It's so cold, my phone lost all of its charge overnight. Hi!
I like this hill. No, I don't.
There's nothing more for me to say tonight. I know you're leaving, but I can't believe it. There's nothing more we need to say tonight.
Ooh, we made it. Wow.
a heart-shaped tree standing in between.
Okay, we're currently at Big Blue Campground. We took a 12-mile rocky dirt road to get here, and we're in the absolute middle of nowhere, and there's no one here except for us and like 2 other people.
Just takes a while, you should know this by now. Until you learn to love yourself, the door is locked to someone else.
I'm just as damaged as you are, scattered to pieces with you gone.
Without the dark there is no light, but don't give the ghost an inch tonight.
I saw the signs you were leaving, but I didn't wanna believe it.
This could be so easy if you could see it through my eyes.
Tell myself not to let it go, hold on to something so beautiful.
This could be so easy if you could see it through my eyes.
Tell myself not to let it go, hold on to something so beautiful.
Oh my gosh. Ah, scared. That was so scary.
It's been a few years since I watched you leave, and there's still so much of you left in me. But this time it sure was. No one ever stops the wind from blowing. I was waiting on you, you were waiting on me too.
About the real huckleberry smoothies. Mara, you should finish that book so we can watch the Hunger Games.
Been talking about the way things change, and my family lives in a different state. And if you don't know what to make of this, then we will not relate. So if you don't know what to make of this,
Hi, Mara. We're at almost on the 14er. We're on Summit Lake.
I'm jogging because it's cold. Finally acclimated though. Marvin, I'm definitely not wearing proper foot attire. That's where we're gonna be tomorrow.
So,
Time for an ice bath.
look this way.
Rivers and roads, rivers and roads, rivers till I reach you. Rivers and roads.
Dad, who didn't get skunked?
Mara did not get skunked.
Woo!
Woohoo!
Dad, what just happened?
Mara won her first game.
That's right. Woo!
Change into something, baby. Change is a beautiful thing until you learn to love yourself. The door is locked to someone else.
I'm just as damaged as you are, scattered to pieces with you gone.
Without the dark, there is no light. But don't give the ghost an inch tonight.
I saw the signs you would leave.
Here we are, hiking up Mount Evans. Mara, of course, is ahead of me. Kind of a flattened out area. Approaching the ridge. Really windy, but just a gorgeous day, as you can see to my right.
So far, this has been the most fun and the easiest 14er I've hiked. So I'm having a really good time. Plus, we're acclimated, so that's probably helping a ton. But it's really windy. We're headed right to that tip. Sorry.
Wanna believe it.
This could be so easy if you could see you through my
I
eyes.
tell myself not to let it go. Hold on to something.
This is what the trail looks like here. It's really hard to keep track of. On the way up, we thought we were on the trail. I was like, wow, this is a lot of bouldering for a class 2. And turns out we weren't on the trail at all, so that explained that. But now we're doing a better job of seeing to the trail on the way down.
Love yourself. The door is locked to someone
I saw
else.
the signs you were leaving, but I didn't wanna believe it.
This could be so easy if you could see you through my
I
eyes.
tell myself not to let it go. Hold on to something so beautiful.
This could be so.
That's the way it We can play music for hours and hours, but
Rivers till I reach